Hi everybody, another Monday and another keto super easy recipe. We all love bacon, right? So today we are going to prepare this beauty. And we will only need two simple ingredients. So let's go and let's see together how to cook a ketogenic deliciousness. These are our two ingredients: a beautiful piece of bacon, this is almost half kilo, and some salt. But you will need also 3 skewers and a baking plate with a grid on top of it. Let's start by cutting the pork skin. For this operation you will definitely need a big knife because it is quite hard and it is very slippery. These incisions are very important both for the seasoning and for the cooking. In fact, the salt will penetrate much better. Talking about salt, it's time to rub all the sides of our bacon with this important ingredient and be generous with the quantity because it will enhance the natural flavor of this amazing piece of meat. And now it's time for the first tip of the day. To cook it perfectly, also on the inside, you should bake your piece of bacon with some skewers passing through it. This is a very easy trick but truly effective. If you have the metal ones, it will be much easier, but I only have these wooden ones that unfortunately can break, as you can see watching my video. This is not a big problem at all, and sometimes it's fun to cook with what we have. The second important tip of the day is to bake it on a grid, because some fat will fall on the plate and we want it perfectly crunchy, not boiled in its own melted fat. I use this grid quite often because I don't have a barbecue, but I love brown meat full of flavor. After 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius, that are about 360 Fahrenheit, you will have this beautiful ketogenic dish ready to be eaten and to make you very happy. As you probably already noticed, it's really important to bake your bacon with the pork skin on top, because this part of your meat must become very crunchy. But now let's go on with our preparation by removing the skewers. As I told you before, it will be easier with the metal ones, but look how perfect this is anyway. I suggest you to cut your baked bacon before serving it, because it's deliciously greasy and it will be difficult to cut it in front of your guests. I'm so sorry that you cannot smell it because it's really yummy and we are all looking forward to eating it. Also because after lunch we will go to see a beautiful photographic exposition that will take us around the world. After the recipe, if you keep watching, you will be able to enjoy it too. But now let's go back to our baked bacon. If you eat it just with your family, they will fight to get more crunchy skin, because if you wonder, yes, I can confirm you that we just baked some homemade pork rinds. that are so much more delicious than processed ones that nobody can resist. I really hope you liked today's easy recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. I'm sorry for the little light, but you know I live in Sweden and during winter time we have just a few hours with light. It's a beautiful place, it's truly a winter wonderland, so I'm happy to show you outside too. See you tomorrow. See you next week. Today it's a wonderful sunny day, so we will go back to one of my favorite museums, the Fotografiska in Stockholm, where we can admire not only the beautiful photos but also the amazing view of the city. From here we can travel the world watching the artistic pics taken by Jimmy Nelson. His work is called Homage to Humanity and you can visit it until the 1st of December 2019. But if you have not the opportunity, please come with me. As you can see, we started from Africa and then we will move to colorful South America. What is really impressive in all those photographs are the human expressions. Faces and eyes that are able to communicate the atmosphere of the country where they live, like this beautiful Mexican woman and her makeup that celebrates death, or Argentinian gauchos that show how big and important family is. Here we are in Peru, on high mountains, where they fight cold weather with happy and colorful clothes. From the snow of the Andes, we go to North America, where we can admire beautiful and proud Native Americans, dressed and painted with their traditional outfits. This is truly amazing. It's something that, thanks to talented photographs, we will never forget. From India to Bhutan and to the high Himalaya, we can feel the mystical and spiritual Asian atmosphere, a deep sense of peace that I hope I have been able to share with you. Now some relaxed time at the coffee shop with a view, and back home. I hope to see you here next Monday for another keto adventure.